G'day guys, Alex Ryan here, and if you're looking to sell on Amazon Australia and you're looking for some strategies or some advice, today guys I'm going to show you an awesome tool that we use and some of my students use here in Australia, and how to go about helping you listing your products on Amazon. So as you can sort of see here, I'm actually using one of our tools right now. And this is a tool that enables you to basically get ideas. So if you're struggling for ideas, if you're not too sure what's a winning product or what to look for, I'm going to show you in this video some of the stuff that we look for. Okay, some of the what we call parameters or green flags or thumbs up, anyone you want to call, right? So you don't want to be selling, in terms of price, you do not want to be selling anything less than 15 bucks, because there's fees involved. Amazon Australia, FBA have fees, right? Anything less than 10 bucks, 15 bucks is kind of like you want to be selling something over $15. That's the minimum. Now the maximum is $100. All right, you do not want to be selling anything more than 100 bucks. So as you can sort of see here, I'm on the main side of I'm actually using one of the tools, right? And I've actually clicked. By the way, if you do want to use this tool, right, the link's in the description, or the link's actually on this video, all right? So, and if you're unsure, just connect with our team members and we can sort of point you in the right direction. So you can sort of see here, we've got categories. So if you are interested in a certain category, like maybe beauty or maybe home improvement or pet supplies or stationery, that kind of stuff, you can click it, right? Or you can click all departments, or you can unclick all of them. It's really up to you, right? So I don't particularly want apps or games. I don't want books. I don't want CDs, right? I don't want electronics either. I want to stay away from electronics. I do not want video games, okay? And everything else seems to be okay. Movies and TVs, no, I don't want that. So again, minimum price 15 bucks, maximum price, let's change that to 100. So nothing more than 100 bucks. Now you want to have no more than 100 reviews. Now sometimes I change that to 300. So I actually still look at products even when they've got 250 reviews. But I'm going to put here, just for this argument's sake, 100 reviews, all right? Estimated revenue. Now I want them to be doing at least 5K AUD a month, at least 5 grand a month, all right? And now I usually, some of these some of these blank, right? You can put minimum or estimated sales, per month. You can actually put whatever you want here. If you want to be doing a minimum, 500 sales a month, you can put that there. It's really up to you. Number of sellers. Now I want less than 5 sellers. I don't want a whole bunch of people jumping on this program. But in this case, let's put 10 sellers, all right? Now, unfortunately, what you'll find is most Amazon sellers really are winging it. They don't really know what they're doing, and they're not using tools. They do more research for their trip to Bali or Phuket than they do on the product that they decide to get into. And this is unfortunate. That's why a lot of Amazon sellers out there, they're barely paying the rent. And this is why it's very important to take the advice from the right people who know what they're doing, who've been doing this for many years. I've been in import-export now for 10 years, all right? So let's continue. Now, you don't want anything more than 1 kilo, all right? No more than 1 kilo. And let's do a search. Now, guys, again, this is how you find product ideas. Now, there's other ways of finding product ideas. This is just one of the ways. And this is one of the ways that we teach our students. We go into a lot more detail. We actually have trainings on Surfers Paradise and in Sydney, where we show you step-by-step how to find hot products. Now, it's loaded. So, as you can sort of see here, we've got, scroll down here, all right, we've got a wrench set, as you can sort of see here. Wrench set, price is 56 bucks, net $47 minus the FBA fee, right? It weighs 400 grams, which is good. There's only 3 sellers. It's doing 5K AUD per month. It does nearly 90 sales a month. That's not bad, actually. Let's go down further, right? You've got a folding travel sun umbrella. Okay, it's 90 bucks. So that's a lot of money for an umbrella, mind you. $70 is your net fee that you get, right? And you've got here the weight, and you've got 5K a month, right? So you can sort of scroll down further. You've got compression foot sleeves, water-resistant rain covers. And like I said, guys, if you're interested in using these tools, right, down below there's a link. And on this video, actually, there'll be a link somewhere here, right, showing you which tools we use. We use about 5 or 6 tools in conjunction with another. But it's very important to get the right advice, not just use tools. Don't just use tools, actually get training. And we've got training on our website as well. And we've got training at our 2-day conferences in Sydney and on the Gold Coast. So you can sort of see here, you've got toys, you've got shirts, right? You've got solar panel, water pump, landscape, pool garden, okay, doing 5K a month in revenue. Scroll down, you've got, what's this? Nursing pump, nursing bra, you've got hair color stop, bags, sunglasses, right? These are doing really good. It's only got 2 sellers or 1 seller for some of these products. So there's not a whole bunch of competition out there, all right? So guys, check out the video. You'll be glad you did. And we do teach how to not only how to find hot products, but how to connect with quality suppliers, get a quality product, do samples, and launch it on Amazon. We actually show you how to launch this on Amazon. Most people don't know how. Most people get stuck. You know, you need barcodes and all this other stuff. We show you step by step for beginners. You don't need any experience jumping on this, guys. We will help you starting from scratch. I would say 99% of all my students, they are beginners. They've never done this before, and that's how we teach you. We teach you from ground up, from ground zero, how to get started, how to choose hot products, and we guide you step by step for 2 years. Not 1 year, but 2 years. You're with me, you get training. Now, I teach you everything there is to know in 3 months, really 3 to 4 months, you know everything I know, all right? I don't hold back, I teach you everything. But I'm with you either way. I'm still with you for 2 years, every step of the way. Every week we jump on the phone. We've got a 2-day conference. We've got a massive video library showing you step by step how to find hot products and how to launch them on Amazon. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Alex Ryan, and hopefully I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.